I came across a post from a business owner last year, and the person said she was tired of the online space. She says more offline than online. So I wondered, because the offline space had distance barrier, but online, that's an advantage, no location hindrance at all. So I believed if this was coming from one business owner, it simply means there are others who are still facing it. So I decided to put out this video to fix that. In this video, I'll break down the real reasons your business is not growing online and how to fix it step by step. If you've been wanting to get clarity on this, kindly watch this video till the end. Before we dive in, my name is Abasiofon Emmanuel, a brand strategist for business owners. I help businesses build brands people remember and buy from. And in this channel, I share insights on how to grow your brand online via content, positioning, strategy, and AI. And if you are serious about growing your business online, make sure you subscribe because I share practical strategies like this every week. Now let's talk about the real reasons your business is not growing online. The number one reason your business is not going online is lack of knowledge. Offline selling is not the same as online. They are two different places. You don't expect to grow the online space just the way you sell offline. Imagine going for an examination and you didn't read for that course. What do you expect? You come out in dull colors. That's just the truth. If you don't have knowledge about something, you will stay stuck for the longest time. Don't expect growth when you lack knowledge. Most business owners just show up online because they see that's how others are doing it. They put out content because others are also putting out content. I understand you have to start from somewhere, but it is important to have direction, and this direction comes from having knowledge. Now I want to ask this question and I want you to be honest about it. Have you asked how it is being done online? Or have you taken extra steps to learn how it is being done? And I understand some persons that have gone ahead to do all this. Applied knowledge is the real knowledge. So I will advise you, don't just watch this tutorial, implement it. Now let's move on to the next problem. Number 2 is wrong content type. You have to know that not all content is right for your brand. When it comes to the online space, content is a must. You can't just open an account, leave it there. You should put out content. You shouldn't just consume content. You should produce for others to consume as well. But I understand that most of us are already doing all these things. But the thing is, are you putting out the right content? I keep saying this. There's a right kind of content and a wrong kind of content. Not every kind of content is right for your brand. If you put out the wrong content consistently, you are going to end up with 0 sales. Number 3 problem is unoptimized profile. You are inserting unnecessary info and neglecting what actually matters to your customers. As long as the online space is concerned, there is what is called profile. When you create an account on any social media platform, you automatically have a profile there. These are where you insert things about you or your business. But guess what? This is where most business owners get it wrong. They insert the wrong details. When I say wrong details, I'm not talking about making mistakes with your name or your contact details. I mean inserting unnecessary information and neglecting important information. Your profile is your front store. If you treat it anyhow, you will lose customers. Just the way you put your offline store in order, you should put your profile in order as well. If you're already getting value from this, just hit the like button and subscribe. It helps more people like you see this. Number 4 problem is inconsistency. Stopping because you didn't get a sale in 3 days. Because you posted for 3 days and nobody came to your DM or bought anything, you automatically expect people to jump into your DM, and when it doesn't happen, you feel the online space is not for you. Then you stop posting until other time you feel like it. I want you to understand that the online space is filled with strangers. If you cannot be consistent, you will lose trust. Strangers need time to trust you. They are not your friends or your family that already know you. Sales may delay because most of these strangers are still trying to trust you. They are hoping that you deliver what they ordered for. They are hoping that they don't get scammed. They are hoping that you don't run away with their money. Most of them may still be contemplating if they really need that product now or later. And in most cases, they don't even have the money here, so they are still checking their budget to see if they can buy. So when you quit, you automatically break that channel of trusting you. This is because inconsistency is one of the things that kills this trust. And the last problem is no strategy. We are roaming around without a map. In any area of life, we need strategy to get things done, whether it's career, ministry, an event, a business, likewise the online space. If you don't have strategy to grow here, you roam around for the longest time. Most of the people who are growing so well online are people who have developed strategy for their own brands. Strategy is key, it is not negotiable for growth. This is exactly why I created something called the Visible Authority Framework. It helps you understand what to post, how to position yourself, and how to actually turn your content into sales. Check out the full details via the link in the description. So how do we fix all these? Number 1 solution to this is get knowledge. Learn about content, learn about sales, learn things that can help you grow on the online space. And don't just gather knowledge, please implement. It is very, very important. Applied knowledge is the real knowledge. The second solution is audit your content. Know the right kind of content to put out. Fix your content and things will start making sense bit by bit. Don't just post your product pictures. Share value and incorporate storytelling in your content. The third one is optimize your profile. You have to fix your profile picture, your cover photo where needed, your bio and other key things. Your profile can serve for you if you put it in order. The fourth solution is build trust. To build trust, you have to stay consistent. Try as much as possible to keep showing up even when sales are low, even when nobody is sending you DMs. Try as much as possible to stay consistent. Customers are still deciding. They are still trying to understand you. They are still trying to trust you. With time, DMs will start coming and sales will start booming as well. Number 5 solution is develop a strategy. You have to develop your strategy for growth on this space, or you get someone to develop it for you. Because like I said, if you want to get anything done in any space, you need strategy. So develop your own strategy for growth so you will start growing just the way others are growing. And this is where having a structure like my visible authority framework helps. The 6th solution is practice patience. You can't force people to buy from you because they don't know you. This is why you have to stay consistent and patient. With time, sales will start rolling in. And the 7th solution is pray. A lot of people overlook this, but it is very powerful. There is nothing too small to take to God in prayers. Whenever you pray, pray for your brand online. He hears and he will answer you. Most of the brand you see going online, if you get closer to them, you get to understand that prayer is behind their growth online. If you are just starting and you need content ideas, I also created a simple guide with 50+ content ideas to help you stay consistent. Check out the full details via the link in the description. I want you to know that at the end of the day, growing online is not magic. It is strategy, consistency, and patience. A lot of people give up too early. Please do not be one of them. If you want to grow your brand online the right way, join my free brand community. The link is in the description. And if you are ready to take it seriously, check out my visible authority framework. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.